Ayubowan. Today we are going to make Sri Lankan Coconut Sambal, which is also known as Pol Sambol in Sri Lanka, is a traditional Sri Lankan condiment made primarily from freshly grated coconut. So let's make it. So let's see what ingredients we need. Freshly grated coconuts, red chili pieces, red chili powder, pepper, red onion, lime or lemon, green chilies, Maldive fish flakes, and also salt to taste. First, we will finely chop the onions like this. Ensure the grated coconut is fresh. If you are using frozen grated coconut from the refrigerator, let it thaw completely. Then chop the green chilies. Now, according to the Sri Lankan tradition, we are using a mortar to grind the coconut sambal. So let's make it now. We will add onions, then green chilies, Maldive fish flakes, and we have to grind it well like this. So after we grind that, then we have to add red chili powder, red chili pieces, pepper, and again grind it well. We have to mix it well and we have to grind it like 3 to 4 minutes. Then after that, we can add coconut. We have to add it little by little. Then grind it. Then according to the color, we can add more red chili powder because it should be like orange color, the Sri Lankan Coconut Sambal. We can add more. Then again coconut. Now we have to put all the grind coconut sambal into a clay pot like this and mix it well. Then we have to add salt to taste, a bit of salt like this, and again mix it well. So you can taste it and you can add more salt if needed. Then mix it well again to combine all the flavors. We have to add lime juice. Squeeze the lime or lemon over the mixture. Then combine it well. Finally, we can transfer our coconut sambal into a serving dish. Sri Lankan coconut sambal can be typically served as a side dish with Sri Lankan rice and curry, hoppers, or even with bread. So enjoy your homemade Sri Lankan coconut sambal.